Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your followers on Instagram and how to hide your following list as well. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see the small profile icon. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. After you click on the three straight lines, you're going to get the settings and privacy menu right over here. Then you want to scroll down and you want to go to the section that is called Who Can See Your Content. Okay, then you want to click on Account Privacy. Very important over here. If you have toggled this on, this simply will give you the option to see who can see your followers and following list because your account is public. But if you actually click on this on and toggle this on, you will turn your account into a private account. This means that all the content, all the posts, all the information, the followers in the following list will simply turn private. Only the people who currently you approved to be your followers will still be able to see who you're following and who is following you. So turning this on will simply turn your account from public to a private. What this means, people still will be able to find your account online, right? They go on Instagram, they know your handle, they're gonna look for you, they're gonna find you, but they're not gonna be able to click and see who you're following. For example, you have 100 followers, or for example, you're following 100 people, they're gonna see the numbers, they're gonna see your number of followers, they're gonna see the number of people you're following, but when they click on the numbers itself on hundreds, right, they're not gonna be able to open nothing simply because the information will be private. Very important note and pro tip, you only can switch to a private account if your account is personal right now. If you have a business account, you cannot, let me repeat this, you cannot make it private, because the whole purpose of having a business account is to be open and to sell stuff. So if you're currently on business account, you want to shift back to a personal account, and then from personal account you want to switch to a private account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.